most families don't realize they have a recessive condition because a lot of the members are just carriers and unaffected, and it's only detected if the person's unlucky enough to marry a person with the same gene. I have a recessive mutation in the same gene. Depends on your population group. If you're Northwest European, then cystic fibrosis is very common. It is not so common in other groups. If you Western European origin ancestry, then in Britain, for example, they do carrier screening routinely for cystic fibrosis because 1 in 3,000 births are cystic fibrosis in that population. If you're of Afro-Caribbean origin, then sickle cell is very common, and thalassemia as well. Sickle cell and thalassemia, as many as 1 in 10 people can be carriers of sickle cell or thalassemia in that population. If you're Jewish ancestry, and I've just done my ancestry, and I found out I'm 25% Jewish ancestry from Eastern European origin. Then there are diseases there. There's Tay-Sachs disease. I used to do carrier screening myself in Johannesburg. There's a large Jewish population there, 140,000 Jews, and about 1 in 30 of them are carriers of Tay-Sachs disease, which is a horrible, crippling disease where the child's born, it accumulates fat on the brain, and the child dies usually at the age of 4. It's an horrific disease, but the Jewish population are very aware of that, and usually get themselves tested even before they get married.